Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to record because it's my exam after 2 days. It's on 31st of August, and the exam which I went last time for in UP for my UPB exam. This time the exam is going to held in Uttar Pradesh, of course, but the district is changed right now this time. So this time my district will be Amroha, nearby Delhi, just 150 kilometers. So I'll go there at some 31st, and I'm studying. Of course, I'm studying because I have my exams. But yeah, between exams there are lots of things which happens in our life. Like in daily life, we just doesn't study. We just doesn't do our work. We generally what do we like what does we what do what is happening. It's all right, it happens. Sometimes you will make mistakes, but you have to learn from your mistakes. Yeah, this is the reality of the life. You will make mistakes, but you have to learn from the mistake. And the person who doesn't learn from their mistakes, that person becomes fools, and that person will get success. It's not like that you will not get succeed, but that will take time. Okay, so earlier that was my exam in where it was in Lucknow, in the capital of Uttar Pradesh, but now this time it is in Amroha. So my father will tell me about all the will tell me all the details, like how to go and how to reach there, and via bus or via train. He will tell me all the things. He's the, you can say, he's the manager of my life. Whatever happens in my life, because of him, especially thanks to him. And we all should respect our parents, because first step, it is everywhere. First step we have to take for ourselves, then our family members will come behind us. They will support us. They will say, okay, do, if you're not doing anything wrong, then you can do the things. It's your right and it's your time to do the things. So this is the thing. So I'll go there, and yeah, but I was talking about the daily activities, the daily life activities. So yeah, there are lots of things which happens in our life, and we don't have anyone with whom we can share the things, and we can make ourselves lighter, because there are lots of things which bombards in our mind. How will I do? What if things didn't work out? I went there. I like lots of questions. There are lots of things which runs in our mind, and even life related problems as well, like what will happen with my life next, and what would I do. Lots of things are there. So we don't have generally any person with parents, like we can talk normally, but the things which are coming, which are running in our mind, which are so personal somewhere, we cannot share, we cannot discuss with them. So I would say, like in these cases, we should start something which is in written form, or something which is in recorded form, as I do, or something. If you sorry, if you have any friend with whom you can share, it's better, it's very good. But I will tell I genuinely tell you that in nowadays, in this life, we get some person, and that person live with us for a reason, for for some time, and then they also leave us. So it is not it is better to live alone, and instead of expecting the company of others. It is not good. Once you start feel once you start feeling ki, okay, this person is for me, and he or she will not leave me, and when your world start, and when you start knitting your world around that person, then the person, what they do, they start doing opposite thing which you had not even think. So this is the thing. So it's better when they come to you, to ignore them. It's better to spend the time with your family, because your family is everything for them, or they're doing everything for you, and you are also doing ultimately for them as well, for them, because once you start earning, your all money will go to them, and for yourself as well. But uh, but today I just came over here just to tell that if you don't have anything, it's not a problem. Even it's a boon for you. You can focus on your thing. You can focus whatever you are doing. Like if I talk about myself, I genuinely say that when I get in anything, like any other thing, I clearly say I get what to say that I get deviated from my focus. But when I don't involve in anything, then at that time I feel that what is important right now, so I can focus more. And video recording is also a way where I can share my own thoughts, where I can share myself. Because sharing our thoughts and sharing ourself, it's a big thing. Because until or unless we won't share our thing, we won't share our feelings, that we will become the pressure cooker. Because pressure cooker is like, once you add the things in that, that will temperature will go high, and once it will go blast if that pressure cooker would not have any whistle. So it's the same with our body. Once, like, you know we are like, we will grab everything in our mind, and if we don't give it back, or and if we don't talk about it, whatever is in our mind, we get blasted someday on anyone in our family member, or anyone in for our work as well. We can do wrong thing with our work, we can do wrong with us. So sharing is very important, because when you share the things, you feel light. So this is the most important thing which you should do. Yeah, this was the thing, and I hope that you are really learning things, because this is just nothing. I'm just sharing my point of view, I'm just sharing my things, what I do, so you can also do the things. So this is the thing. We will meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.